blues. A little bit get you in the mood, stay. I can do this all night long, say. DJ, just play my song. Live it like it's my last. So keep running that back, hey. I know you can't believe, but right here's the place to be. I got everything I need, so ain't nothing you can take from me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturallymary here, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. Today I have an exciting video for you all. Today we are heading to the salon. Y'all, I've been itching for straight hair. I also am in desperate need of a trim. If you all saw what was going on under this turban, whew, y'all would laugh. It looks so bad, and I'm nervous to see what my hairstylist is gonna say. I have not seen Kia in over a year. When she sees what's going on, y'all nervous. She's probably gonna cringe. My hair has been matting under here. I had to cut like 2 inches because the ends started to knot up. I've been very lazy with my hair. Y'all know I've been enjoying these wigs, and it's time to, you know, get it together. And I'm also thinking about maybe cutting my hair, so let's see what we do. So if you've read the title and you've already seen the thumbnail, you know that I got a bob, and y'all, it turned out so well. Let me tell you, Kia did her thing. And I know it looks super natural, y'all, but it is a wig. I've been wanting to do it with my own hair, but y'all, I feel like with natural hair, whenever I straighten my hair, it doesn't last long. And I don't know how these other girls are able to spin it and get theirs to last super long without a relaxer. To be honest, I've been thinking about getting a relaxer, but in the meantime, I'm going to see what it looks like with the wig. And I saw this gorgeous vpart wig on Unice hair. So this is the unit, y'all. It's from Unice hair. I've tried their kinky curly vpart before, and y'all, that was so good. So I'm excited to try the straight unit. And I wanted to make sure that I tried this unit when I was going to the salon to get a silk press so that my hair would already be straight. So let's see what we're working with. This is the packaging it comes in. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have to get Kia to dye this hair or not. She is going to also dye my hair black. So once my hair is black, I'm not sure if I'm going to need to dye this hair, but we'll see. It comes in a natural color, which generally has a blend of black and also a brownish tone, which emulates our natural hair color very well. This is what it looks like right out of the package. I did get my unit in length 12, and this is what the parting area looks like. It does come with combs on the opposing side of the part. This is to keep it secure. I saw someone recently do a sewing method with their V-part unit. So instead of actually inserting the combs, you could actually sew this part down onto your braids, and that would keep from all the tension that is generally caused by these combs. I should probably take this off and show you all what it looks like under here. Yeah, I told y'all it looks crazy, real crazy. Oh my. Nevertheless, let's try this on before I head to the salon, and I gotta hurry up because I don't have much time. Of course, I would not use this color wig cap, but just for the time being. So it has clips near the part. There's a comb at the bottom. There's also an adjustable strap, and there are combs on the side. Another option for securing it down could be to use bobby pins. All right, so this is what it looks like right now. 12 inches is a good length. I think I might have her cut the ends just a little bit, but we'll see. We're gonna let Kia work her magic. Let's see what we come out with. Y'all, we're back with Kia. This has been my go-to natural hair stylist for over 2 years now. She always looks so cute. And y'all, this is her own sweet. She has her own salon now.
We're still in the building phase.
What are you calling it? What's the name of it?
Naturally.
Naturally.
But it's spelled with an E instead of
Y. Yeah. No, I love it. I love it. She gonna hook me up, give me a silk press, install a bob. And girl, I think I looked at the bob earlier today and I was like, ooh, what? We might have to dye it. Oh, is that okay?
Which I don't know about, because coloring a wig is like,
it takes a long time.
No, it doesn't take a long time. It just takes a lot of color sometimes.
Oh.
Which I don't know if I have enough for it. Well, wigs usually come in like almost like a...
It's natural black, but it has like a brownish tone. It should be okay, right?
This is definitely like brown.
Yeah. So what do you think? If we dye my hair black, is it going?
I mean, I don't think it's going to be crazy. It's not like you're going to have a lot of leave out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
There are pieces in here that are black, but overall, it is more like a
brown.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
overall it's like a tone, but it's not.
So we'll play it by ear, dye my hair, and then see. I
personally think it will be.
It will be fine. Okay.
Like it just might look like you have like that rooty look.
That's what I was thinking. So it should be okay.
I think it'll be okay.
So y'all, we decided to keep the unit in its natural color, which typically matches most individuals' hair color. But if your hair is darker than this, for a perfect blend, dye the unit as well to match your hair color. Also, I didn't mention this earlier, but this unit is in 150% density, which actually matches my density so well. And what I love about the notion of a V-part is that you don't have to leave out much hair. It also allows me to be able to have the straight look without my hair reverting. The goal for this style is to make it look as much like my hair as possible. And I do want it a bit shorter, so Kia's gonna do that for me. But now we're gonna go through the process of silk pressing my hair, and then we're gonna install this unit. Just the other day, and I'm like,
I said yesterday, I was like, oh Jesus.
Oh, was that oh Jesus about my hair?
No! I would never.
Oh Jesus!
I would never.
Girl! I saw your face. It was a mess.
No. That ooh Jesus was from the
You're lying.
I'm not lying. Your hair's not even bad. Like this
oh man.
I see this stuff every day of my life. It's not even a big deal.
I haven't washed it in a month. I tried to moisturize it. I had it wrong. I tried to moisturize it. And I took my braids down. I was like, oh, hold on.
Quite the difference,
that's very different, right?
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, oh, I'm not even going to wash it. I'm going to wait to get to Kia. Let her take care of all of it.
It's a part of the job.
It's a part of the job. That's why the price went up. I said, Kia is charging me for everything.
Listen.
She said she has overhead now.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about overhead. That overhead will slap you in the face.
I can imagine.
Especially right here, because where I'm located.
Yeah.
Like this.
I feel like my color just looks, I don't know. It has
I mean, you have a lot of growth.
It's
so
a lot of
it has
growth,
been
though.
like a year then. Yeah.
So you're doing a pre-detangle with what? What is
just a co-wash.
Okay.
Yeah, a co-wash. And this is just gonna make sure because I'm gonna have to shampoo you first. Do like a slight shampoo.
Yeah.
To make sure that the color can actually get in there. If I was to shampoo it first, it would definitely, especially with your texture and your curl pattern, we would definitely be in a world of trouble if I just went straight in with the shampoo.
Yeah.
Can you tell me exactly what you're looking for to install?
So I guess my hair in the back, you can like pin it down and do whatever. It doesn't matter. You don't have to like
braid it.
Cornrows. Okay. I don't. That's too much work and it's too much tension. But the area near the part, I don't know if it's gonna require that you just do little cornrow here and here, maybe.
Okay, we can do a little cornrow there. Okay, but are you looking for it to get sewn down or anything?
I don't know if my hair is gonna last long enough to sew it in. So
okay, good.
Because I was
hoping that could. Okay, so and then as far as now, you want it cut as well. That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
I will say that the tip I have for you is a minimal leave out since you have, since it's hot, it's humid, and all those things. So you don't have to fight with it. So whichever look gives you minimal leave out should be the look you should go with.
And that's most likely the middle part, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it covers everything.
It looks like I have a little shortcut. That's insane.
Imagine if you actually like cut your hair into a bob. Like your hair would shrink.
Yeah, I wouldn't have any hair. It would look like I have a short TWA.
Okay, darling.
This literally looks like how my hair was when I big chopped it. Like, it looks so short. It's insane. So currently my stylist is dyeing my hair jet black. I typically get this done whenever I go to her. The reason I get this done is to cover my grays because y'all, they have been disrespectful lately.
There's a lot of beauty in shrinkage. I find that my clients that have a lot of shrinkage like this, when I do their tube twists, it's just like, it's like so bouncy.
All right, so now that the color processing has finished, this is what my hair looks like. So she's gonna blow out my hair and then she's gonna proceed to silk press it. And then we're gonna install the unit. What is it we're ready for? What is it we're ready for? It's so weird seeing myself with straight hair. It's been such a long time.
It's been a long time.
never needed luxury.
Alright y'all, so now that we're done with the silk press, this is the current state of my hair. I actually thought it was going to be much worse, and I was able to leave with a decent amount of length, which was very surprising. What often trips me up is that middle. I feel like that's the area where I experience the most breakage, and that's the weakest part of my hair. I don't understand it. I have to figure out what to do about that middle. It would be nice if I'm able to keep more length, but I feel like every time I'm having to cut it because at the bottom there's this V shape that keeps being a part of my hair journey, and I'm so tired of it. All right, so now it's time for Kia to trim my hair, and although I have a good amount of length, we're gonna have to trim it, get it looking nice and blunt and healthy again. So she's gonna do that now, and then she's gonna proceed to work on my braid pattern for the wig install.
What's the point of finery if it fabricates a part of me? If the clock was wrapped in gold, some would go bankrupt just for a taste. Some would even sell the...
Y'all, look at all that bounce. I could not believe this was my hair. I feel like I left with a good amount of length.
How long did you say the wig was?
12 inches. Is it the same length, you think?
I don't know. It's kind of looking like it, honestly. Hold on. Your hair might be
the same
length or
almost, right?
It's longer.
What?
Your hair is longer.
Wow, that's shocking. Let me bring this in.
They're either
just so they can see the color
same,
difference too.
They're either the exact same.
That's
or
insane.
Your hair is a little longer than the wig.
Do it again so we can see the color difference. Oh, that's gonna be real cute. And it should be fine, right?
Yeah, I think it should be fine.
Okay.
Like I said, because there's little bits of darker pieces in here too.
That's gonna be so pretty.
We might can cut it.
I think that is a little longer than mine, just a little.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
This is actually longer than mine.
Yeah, the back is shorter.
Okay, gotcha.
So it's kind of asymmetrical.
Like,
my hair feels so good. So now it's time to start the wig install. I decided on the middle part because that would require less leave out. I'm also trying to make sure that the part is where I desire it to be to fully cover my bald spot. I think I told you guys about that in the past. I have one very close to where the middle part would be, so it's often quite challenging just to make sure it's covered, but my stylist is going to refine the part, and then we're going to begin working on the braid pattern. So now that the part has been perfected, we're going to work on the leave out. We decided on 1 inch along the parameter and 1 inch on both sides of the part.
I've been wanting to make you my baby. I don't care if you think that I'm crazy.
I like that this is not a track.
Yeah.
This is cool.
It's pretty thin, so
It's like, but I put like a little, oh, is it like a lace closure kind of thing? Oh, that's
yeah.
okay. Innovation. We love to see it.
Okay, so now my stylist is lining up the parting space on the wig with my natural part to ensure that I have enough hair left out so that it fully covers the closure on the unit.
Safety, take a chance on me. You've endured some pain, you've been through some things, not open to change. You're just hoarding shame, but you're not to blame. Folks love playing games, screws loose in their brain. Your ex is insane for doing you wrong when loving you is only right. My heart skips a beat.
Now that my leave out has been taken out, my stylist is positioning the V part to ensure everything fits perfectly. Then she will begin working on the anchor braid, which will be used to secure the clips in place so that the unit won't slide. When she has completed that process, then she will connect those braids to large flat twists in the back to ensure my hair is protected. I shared with her that I wanted the easiest braid pattern possible, and y'all know I typically don't do cornrows. It's just too much tension, too much time to do them, and I just prefer two chunky flat twists. I felt like that was the easiest way to do it. She did flat twist the top and then braid the bottom to keep my hair from sliding because it wasn't a silk press, and then she proceeded to pin down the ends.
Heart skips a beat every time you're in my sights. I just wanna make you smile, not just with a joke. I'm holding on to hope that we could be something dope. Ooh, lately, I've been wanting to make you my baby. I don't care if you think
All right, y'all, now it's time for the fun part, the wig install. vpart wigs are so easy to install. All you need to do is open up the clips at the top of the unit and insert those clips into the braids. Notice I said into the braids and not under the braids. This will reduce tension and it's such a great hack so that you're able to rock the look that you desire without being in pain. Nobody wants that. So now my stylist is demonstrating the process and then she's going to insert the combs on the side. Also keep in mind that I did share earlier that you can also sew this area down. So whichever is best for you, go with that method. Something else to note is that this unit is big head friendly. I definitely recommend tightening the adjustable straps in the back for a snug fit. So now that the unit is installed, it's time to straighten and trim the unit. I didn't want it too much shorter. I believe we took off about 1 to 2 inches. I wanted it to be the same length as my actual hair, so I felt like I was wearing my own hair with this bob look, but feel free to cut it to suit your own desires. I feel like getting a longer length allows you a bit more flexibility, so I definitely recommend going 1 inch or 2 longer, because when cutting or customizing your unit, you can always fix it if it's longer, but if you start off short, you really don't have a lot of range in order to make sure that you get the exact look that you desire. So going longer is just always a good rule of thumb.
Move left to right, show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right, keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice. Oh, you wanna try? Ooh, left to right. Hey, it's time to slide.
All right, so now that we have the length that I desired, she's gonna go back in and refine the look, flatten everything out, and add a little bump to the ends.
What you know about this? I woke up like this. Ay, I just did my hammer dance. I'm feeling too legit. Ay, I gave them too much sauce. They tried to wipe it off. I did it on my way out the window. I hear them saying, ooh, la la, oh my. Say what? Say ooh, la ooh, la ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Move left to right. Show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right. Keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice. Oh, you wanna try? Ooh, left to right. Hey, it's time to slide. Ooh, ready to go. Up in the way, moving the tide, starting to wave. Partying hard, stuck in my waist, pushing the cake all in your face. Hey, ha ha, busting the move like tie-dye, hands in the air like high five. Step on the stage, now I got them saying, ooh, la la, oh my. Say what? Say ooh, la ooh, la la. I think it's time to move left to right. Show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right. Keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice. Oh, you wanna try? Ooh, left to right. Hey, it's time to slide. Move left to right. Show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right. Keep it moving side to side. Ooh.
All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope that you all enjoyed the tutorial. It's so amazing how much this hair looks like mine. Now I can wear a silk press without having to worry about my hair reverting. Well, as much of my hair reverting, because there's not a lot of leave out. I love that this unit is super stylish and it's affordable. Be sure to check the link in my bio for all the details and specifications. There's also a discount code provided below for you all. Let me know what you all think about this look. I look forward to your comments and feedback, and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Ooh, roll the dice.